Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Let's quickly open my file. I guess I should send a message in group so that everybody can join. Okay, Uday sent me. You have sent me your file, so I'll download that by the time. Okay, this detail you have created on the surface directly or in layers? Layer.
Layers,
Oh,
layers.
very nice, very nice. This is what you're supposed to do. It's absolutely correct. So that like when you add skin detail, we can just simply switch it off and add skin detail, then switch it on. And head is separate. Okay. So whenever you have something like this, like head is separate. So one thing you have to make sure it should blend together very nicely. Finally, you have to combine them.
Yes, sir.
I'll check the Sagat reference. Sagat. So here one thing, okay, use this reference or some other reference.
There was another one, sir.
Another one, okay. I can see. I have to search. can't see. This is little different from your reference. Okay, nice. I'll just open this one day.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Okay,
How are you now, sir?
now fine. Fine. So here, let's see. So here I can see chain is slightly smaller. So I can pull this slightly down. Reduce the chain size slightly, and jaws are a little angular. Slightly angular. And nose, not this broad, it's broader here. We build up. Slightly broad, and this thing connects here. So this muscle is missing. Your nose bridge and cheekbones. So here I can see this clear definition, separation from the sides. And this thing is slightly bigger. Slight volume, add. Slightly broad. This looks fine. Temple cavity looks fine. Ears, this thing blends with the surface. So here, okay, this is like this is fine. A little bit more round. So in your reference, you can see this lines, right? This thing we have to add. slightly inside. The level of this muscle and lips almost same. Small like this refinement only. And lower lips I can see clearly it's a little broader than this. This looks fine. Just little refinement will work. Ears also BMT, modify topology, move topology. This part is slightly outside. Move brush. Cheekbones slightly strong. Chin slightly outside, more rounded. PCB, chin slightly broader. Let's see. So these parts will define slightly all these muscles. So layers and layers are there. You can switch off them and then open it. It's slightly more crisp.
Yes, sir.
CP. And this should go slightly inside. Okay, like, and now like abs BMB, it's fine, but abs are usually not this straight, it's slightly outside, slightly curved. It's very little bend is there. Rest is going fine. Just you just, oh, symmetry was off, huh? So initially we create everything with symmetry and fix thing, and like this is something you did correct. BCB, so knuckles and all this thing, you have to make it little prominent. That angle should be visible, right? Just not like, it's basically little round shape. BTS stamp standard. So this, there's a line, usually one or two line. So it's not visible, but like keep it clean. Overall, it's coming out like coming really nice. It's like fine. It's going like this looks nice only. Okay, that's nice. Coming nice only. So let's start with this. So today we'll add details. So first I'll make solo. So all these things, because those parts are not visible, so it doesn't matter. So solo. So let's see, shift F. I can see the face. And now I want to add details to my face. So in my case, my neck is not visible. So it will be nice if I separate the head. Entire body is together. So I cannot do it. So what I'll do is side view, control, lasso. Select this, control W. Separated, control shift, click on the head, and then go to subtools, split, mask. Now I can see I have options. Oh, I have subdivisions and all these things, so it won't work. No layers. Okay, fine. Group split, so I don't want to do.
So we can do split hidden.
Yes, but it's not active.
पर वो hidden नहीं है ना अभी, like head area.
इवन हिडन तब भी इसमें स्प्लिट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है. Yeah, अब आ गया. So lower lowest division पे we can do it. PSP anyway, there is not as such detail. So split hidden, separate them, separated. Hopefully all the subdivisions are intact. Yes, intact. Yeah. So now my basic head, this thing is ready. Now I'm going to add details. So for adding details, so for especially for face and all, we'll be using layers. We won't do it directly on the model. So I can see my model is like pretty low poly. So I'll increase the poly count slightly. Control D, 1 million, like 2 million, 3 million is like more than sufficient for face. So face is all smooth, clean. There is nothing like fancy. So now what I'll do is let's increase the polygon. Control D one more time, 4 million. So it should be more than enough, sufficient. 1 million also fine. Oh, but let's see if I do something really fine detail. Is it possible to do it? Just give me a second. Yeah, it's working. So 1 million is fine. So once like make sure you have enough subdivision level before applying layer and all, because after applying layer you cannot subdivide your model. So when you have decent about 1 million, 1.5 million, 2 million polygons, that's good enough. Then go to layer, add a layer. So before adding any detail, make sure add a layer, and then we can start adding our basic surface detail. So first thing is we need to apply a noise. Noise, because our skin is not flat, it's a little bumpy and we have unevenness. So how do we do it? Add this thing. So this is, I can name it like noise. Make sure recording is on. Recorder is on. Then the color and all these things not required. Then I'll go to surface, noise maker, frame. You can see here. If you want, you can zoom in also. You can see this noise green. So initially, keep it slightly strong. That's fine. Scale of the noise, we increase, decrease. One point something is fine. Okay. So you can see clear noise is visible, but it's still not part of your model. So you have to apply to mesh. The moment you do it, it becomes part of your model. So you can see it's not that strong. So you have to go to edit. Increase the strength slightly because it's in layers, so I can control it very easily. So always make sure the whatever you want, make it little extra strong, maybe 20% strong, because when once you bake it, it will reduce. So this line also, I'll
Once we bake it here or on low poly?
low poly also, and even plus transfer apply to mesh also, it will reduce the intensity slightly. When you bake it to low poly, that time also it will reduce some amount of detail.
Okay.
There's like we lose some amount of detail while baking. That's why we keep it a little stronger. So now this layer is active. Now you can see switch off, switch on. You can see it's part of this layer. I can switch it off, add one more layer now. Now I have to add all these skin detail. So that is something like I can do it manually also, and we can use some alpha also. So I have a lot of alphas. The texturing XYZ last time I said, hopefully you have all have like downloaded it. Texturing XYZ or subsurface. No, sorry, surface mimic, not subsurface. Surface mimic. So let me connect my hard disk. Just give me a second. So those two, if you download, you can like they have like very good quality like skin details and all, so we can use it. But I guess we started, okay, I guess I didn't saved it. Yeah, so I switched off. You can see noise I added, then I switched off, and then now I'm going to add all these details, skin details. Where is my hard disk? Where is my fine, it's opened. So I have surface mimic, so I'll be using this human. Copy. Oh, this no, I'm going to use XYZ. Not this one. Email maybe in 30s or 20s. Copy, open this marker. You can see which part is what. Let's start with number 7. Copy. Standard brush, alpha, I'll change the alpha. Number 7, open, alpha is here. So go to alpha, modify, switch on surface. This is what is required. Now it's too strong, so it doesn't matter. That is something I can control with the help of layer blending. Just drag, import number 8. So direction you have to remember, I'm moving up. So that's you have to make sure all like all your this thing brush you have to move up. So you can see skin ports and everything is generating automatically, because this is like it's very good quality displacement maps. Then number 9. Then we have number 11 and number 10. Because detailing is the easiest part, getting the shape correct is the most difficult part. So you can see the direction of the line should match. And number 12. And it. Number 16. Switch of symmetry. Center is always asymmetric. Number 17. Number 13. Then number 14, center. Number 15, I believe. 15. So you can see like most of the skin details are coming together. Now we have forehead. One, symmetry is on again. I'm using the same thing twice so that I fill in this area. Undo. Whenever you can see symmetry is visible, make sure switch it off. Number 4. Number 6. Oh, number 3, this one. My bad. And now number 5.
So these alphas that are showing in the deck, so why are we not using those?
They are different now. Like you can, the number you can see different. So each and every alpha is like for different part of the body. Here you can
Okay.
see these are like all marked, right? 7 is for under eye, 9 and cheek 8. Upper lips you have 13, 14, 15. So this number and this alphas are different, separate for because all the parts. If you see, if you zoom into this, you can see the density and the flow is different everywhere.
Yes, sir.
So that's why like the specific like those alphas for those region only I'm using.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So now basic, you can see my basic detailing is almost ready, but still I have few empty areas. So for those empty areas, I have to make sure fix it. Now fill all those things. So for filling, what I'll do, I'll use 9 here. So I'll use 9 again and fill those gaps.
So do we get these packs for the whole human body?
Yes. It's like in surface mimic you have the whole human body, and texturing XYZ you have like which is available like in torrent and all, that's only for face. And a body part is like that it's not available in torrent. I checked it, it's not there. So we can use something like surface mimic for those part, or we can use some generic texture there.
Okay.
Number 1, 1, 1, 1. Where is 1?
So for neck and also we'll have to make the creases in the neck first, right?
Yes, yes. So basic detail, and this was a 1. I'm just filling those areas. Okay, now we have nose. Nose is separate entirely, 25. make sure switch off your symmetry. Then start working on it. So I have added all this detail and it looks pretty dense. Now I just simply fill all those areas. Though it's not required because we have already applied a base noise. So the moment I switch it on, it will all look blended together.
Sir, ears and all?
It will come automatically. Like this is not required because we have this one, right? If I switch on this, see, it blends automatically. So here my basic detail have, because but you can see these are like pretty strong, right? So I have to fix those things. This was for this and lips. There was a lips alpha, I forgot where it is.
So it was here in this pack only.
No, it's no, that's empty. It's not there. Lips, here it is. Oh, I need to make sure select this layer and activate recording. No, it's this lips, you can see it's not coming very nicely. So best part, I'll do it. I'll create it auto like manually only. So like anything manual, I have to switch off this and create one more layer. This layer is only for lips. So let's start working on this. Freehand, I can use damp standard. So lip for lips, if you have a lip reference, it's very it would be nice. So first lips. अरे यार